And welcome back. Let's head over to Scotland, where Jamaica added a gold and a bronze on day 6 of the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow on Wednesday to move its medal tally to 4. As you'll hear in this report from Christopher Scott, the medals came from 2019 long jump world champion Tajay Gayle and shot putter Lloydrica Cameron.
2019 world champion Tajay Gayle is now the Commonwealth Games champion as he emerged victorious in the men's long jump after cutting the sand at 8.15 meters. Sri Shankar of India was second with a leap of 8.09 meters, while Stephen Mackenzie of Scotland was third with 8.08 meters.
Here he goes in round 4. The lead at 8.09 through India's Sri Shankar. Oh, that looks big. Look, you can see the superimposed yellow line there. That's at 8.08, and I think Gayle might have just gone further. That is big from Tajay Gayle. He's responded wonderfully there.
Another Jamaican, Jordan Turner, placed ninth with a leap of 7.65 meters. Elsewhere, Lloydrica Cameron copped bronze in the women's shot put final. Cameron threw 17.87 meters for third, the same distance as the silver medalist Jessica Oji of Nigeria. The event was won by Sarah Minton of Canada with 19.88 meters. In the meantime, 7 other Jamaican athletes qualified for the next round in their respective events as the track and field aspect of the games continued on Wednesday morning. In the women's 200 meters, Lavanya Williams made it through to the next round, clocking 22.91 seconds to win Heat 5. National 100-meter junior record holder Lana Reid also made it to the next round after winning Heat 6 in a time of 22.95 seconds. In the men's equivalent, 3 Jamaicans made progress. National champion Christopher Taylor made it through to the next round with a 20.36 seconds to take the run-up spot in Heat 1. World Under-20 record holder for the 400-meter hurdles, Rashawn Clark, who decided to run the half-lap event, made it through. He won Heat 6 with a time of 20.56 seconds. Javon Powell will also be competing in the next round, being the fastest Jamaican with a time of 20.28 seconds to win Heat 7. In the women's 400-meter hurdles, Commonwealth Games silver medalist in Birmingham 4 years ago, Cheyenne Salmon, advanced after winning Heat 1 in 55.30 seconds. National champion Sanique Walker also made it through, having won Heat 2 in 54.83. Asina Wilson has also qualified for the next round of the men's 400-meter hurdles as he clocked 49.19 seconds for second in Heat 3. In the women's 800 meters, national champion Kellyanne Beckford will contest the final after placing third in semi-final 1. She posted 1 minute 59.96 seconds. Adele Tracy's 2 minutes 01.54 seconds was not enough for qualification. Meanwhile, the Sunshine Girls are just 1 win away from the semi-finals after beating hosts Scotland 45-43 on Wednesday to record their 3rd win from 4 games. Jamaica started out strong, winning the first quarter 15-9. However, Scotland fought back in the second stanza to trail 27-23 at half-time. Scotland leveled the contest after a 12-8 third quarter performance, but after a tense 10-8 final quarter from the Sunshine Girls, the Jamaicans prevailed in a nail-biting finish. Azara Wilmot top-scored for the Sunshine Girls with 28 goals from 35 attempts, while Shanice Beckford assisted with 15 goals from 18 attempts. Elsewhere, Jamaica failed to make it to the final of the women's 3-on-3 basketball competition as they once again fell short to Australia in the semi-finals, losing 21-8. Jamaica's 4 medals so far have all come from track and field, 3 gold and 1 bronze. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.